I feel very much welcomed here and very much accepted, getting lots of help from my colleagues, and I've noticed there's a great team spirit.
When we started, it was difficult to understand the accent, you know. It was difficult, but they kept on talking to me and they realized they accepted me. I think I didn't meet any problems.
They're really warm and friendly, and they've been very welcoming.
I didn't have much of an ignition problem coming here, which I thought there would be. I suspected culture shock. I suspected that I would have difficulty communicating with people. People will have difficulty understanding me, and not only the language, accent, but your thinking is different because you're coming from a different culture, absolutely. But I didn't find any of them here. Everybody welcomed you as an individual, and individuality was respected.
Well, if you want to know the truth, I think they put Prozac in the water here because everyone is so nice. I've never met so many nice people. English people are very cynical and hard, and Australian people are so lovely. They're so easygoing.
Just want to check your blood pressure again, okay? All right. Because your blood pressure has been all right.
One of the good things about coming from the UK was that it is easy for nurses in that your nursing qualifications and your skills are easily transferable, and also the advantage that it's the English language and you don't have to learn another one.
I need to change bed 7. It's more or less the same. It's just to get yourself used to the policies and the way things are done, like practical, when you come to Australia. Otherwise, there's no problem.
The paperwork's different, rules and regulations might be a bit different, but at the end of the day, babies come out exactly the same way in England as they come out here.
Nursing is not very different though, but it's a bit more advanced when we come over this side, and I like that challenge.
You learn a lot. You learn most of the procedures which we don't do it down in Africa. And even the equipment itself, you learn the sophisticated equipment which you don't have in Zimbabwe. So it's a challenge, because obviously I know when I go back home, I'll be a star.
One of the best things about New South Wales is the diversity of lifestyle that is on offer. From the bustling metropolis of Sydney to the rural tranquility of country towns and the remoteness of outback Australia.
I guess Sydney has great lifestyle to offer people from other countries. I mean, apart from the climate, entertainment, I think just the general laid-back lifestyle.
You know, it is more of an outdoor lifestyle, and that's something that we enjoy, and that's what I like about it too.
I love Sydney. I love the food, I love the people, it's just beautiful.
It's Australia, you can have a lot more fun. You've got the beaches, you've got the sun. Especially in Sydney, you've got the mountains, snowy mountains nearby. You've just got everything you could ever want, really.
Wagga Wagga is a wonderful town. Over 60,000 people live here. We have all the facilities that you would like to see in the city. We have excellent educational services for children. We do have a university here where people can do ongoing academic training. We are the major referral hospital for Greater Southern Area Health, and we do treat our nurses well, and we have a really good health team here.
As a family person, it's got everything you want for a family. It has all the sports you could ever want. The schools are excellent, both the public and private. Compared to England, private education here is a fraction of the price. Housing in Wagga is very cheap. For the house you buy here, you would probably pay 3 times the amount in London. You've got good music facilities here. There was ballet, there was gym. So we just looked around at the facilities they had for the children and decided this would be wonderful. And also the close proximity to Sydney, to Melbourne, to skiing. At home you have to fly to skiing. Here we drive 2 hours and we have snowfields on our doorstep.
We're 256 beds, and they get a multiple range of different types of surgery, medical presentations, paediatrics. Got a very good maternity service here, neonatal intensive care. It's quite a